Hi guys, this is an unboxing video. I am Mark Castrodes. I work with Arete Consulting. We call the group Team Arete. We do a lot of online events, online trainings, online workshops, online planning sessions. And to do that, we set up a studio where we do our work. And this studio, we've been slowly upgrading it since last year. So we have the green screen, we have a mixer, etc., microphones, this one, to produce content that would make our clients happy. One of the things that's really important when you're doing online work is the quality of your sound. So while we have decent microphones and a good mixer, I noticed that we have not really gotten the best quality out of them simply because I could not really hear accurately how they sound while we're recording them. Why is that? Because I have been using these headphones. These are very good headphones, but these are open back headphones, meaning I can still hear ambient sound. I'm not just hearing what's going through the mixer and out to the recording device, or when we're doing a stream, out to our live audience. And so I decided to purchase a pair of headphones that should give me the capability to monitor the sound as it goes into the recording device or is heard live. And so I'm very excited. I was researching this for a while. What's the best earphones or headphones to do this? And I have decided on a classic. I have done my research and this is it. The package just arrived today. And so we're unboxing it with the help of my cute pink scissors. All right, so let's unbox this thing. So in doing research for the best headphones, what were my considerations? Number one, it should give me the best possible sound, meaning the headphones should not be colored. What I should be hearing is what's actually getting recorded or what is getting broadcasted live to the audience. It should not be colored, meaning some headphones have boosted low ends or boosted mid-range. So the headphones need to be as flat as possible, as accurate as possible. Number two, the headphones need to be very sturdy and durable because we will be using it a lot. So they should be headphones proven for their longevity. Last but definitely not the least would be the price. They should be reasonably priced for what they can do. Meaning, peso for peso, they should be able to do the work better than other products within the price range. So what did I finally decide on? So for all the audio people out there, I know you have an idea after I know your head is already coming up with a short list. So what did we get for Team Arete Studio monitoring? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the SONY MDR 7506. These are classic headphones. These are what they call industry standard. They have been used for over 30 years in the industry of recording. So if you watch a lot of voiceover work on YouTube, even singers recording their songs, you would notice that many of these studios use these headphones. So this afternoon, I will try them for the very first time. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, very nice packaging, classic with a gold stamping of the model. It says professional 7506 sound monitor headphones. Okay, so if you from the literature I read, if you compare this with the headphones that are currently on the market, for enjoying listening, this will not sound as impressive, quote and unquote, because if you're out there to just listen, you might want a different set, because what this will give you is really what's coming out of your recording. It's again not colored at all. So there's the manual over there. I have a few stickers there. Okay, so let's skip that part. Very nice packaging. Here they are. I'm excited for this. With a little okay, that's what do you call that? Silver satin cloth, satin-like finish. Okay, careful with the cord. We don't want the cord to So we have a jack and adapter for the mixer. This is for a regular phone, so it comes with a regular jack for the cell phone, and then it also comes with this adapter that goes into the sockets for your mixer and other devices of that size. Alrighty. Okay, I'm not the most patient in unboxing or unwrapping things, so I'll just cut them open. Okay, let's not attempt to make it a pretty unboxing. There you go. So these are the very nice looking SONY MDR 7506. Okay, so it should go like this. Okay, is there a left and a right? Yes, left usually goes here. Very nice. It isolates the sound. I don't hear a lot of the aircon noise, and maybe if I plug this in, I can already hear myself. Let's plug it in for the first time. Oh, there you go. Wow, that's clear. So I can really hear myself and how it sounds. I can also hear the aircon buzz. If I turn down the gain a little bit. Hey, check. I like the smaller form factor. It doesn't look as big as the other one compared to the Samsung. And I like the classic look of the Sony. So there you are. I'll give you an update maybe in a few weeks after I have given this a few runs. Give you an update how this headphones perform. Okay, so how much did I buy them for? I bought them online for, I know that this goes for around $89 to $100 online in the US. But since I bought it here, it's a bit more. So maybe about $120 US dollars. But very happy so far with how it sounds, how it looks, and how it's performing. What I'm hearing in my ears, very good. So there you go. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching this unboxing.